In our fast-paced world, who has time to cook a meal the traditional way? More often than not, we rely heavily on this silent hero. Meet Percy LeBaron Spencer, a self-taught engineer working on radar technology in the mid-1940s. He was conducting an experiment with a magnetron, a vacuum tube that powers radars. It was during this experiment, when his chocolate bar melted, that he made a serendipitous discovery. This led him to the realization that microwaves couldn't just detect metallic objects, they could heat food. Microwaves cause water, fat, and sugar molecules to heat up, making it an efficient way to cook food. Spencer utilized this discovery to develop the first microwave oven in 1947. The Raider range. It was huge, about the size of a refrigerator and not really practical for home use. Fast forward to 1967, Raytheon subsidiary, Amana, introduced a compact and affordable version of the microwave oven suitable for home use. Today, the microwave oven is a staple in our kitchens, providing us with a swift and efficient way of cooking, reheating, and defrosting food. It's incredible how an accidental melted candy bar could catalyze such a revolution in the culinary world. So the next time you use your microwave oven, take a moment to appreciate how a little serendipity and a lot of ingenious engineering can shape the world we live in. Just imagine, what other life-changing inventions might we stumble upon in our daily lives? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating tales of everyday inventions. Thanks for watching.